Yo, that was a straight rush, dude. Good morning, guys. Here we are in New Jersey. It is raining. Well, maybe it's not raining right now, but it's very wet out. We're going to the hardware store. We're gonna find some 2x4s for the dream. 2x4 the dream. All right, here we are down on the beach, and it looks like the boat is still out there in the water. Tide is still super low, but it looks like they got it turned around. It's facing out to sea. We'll come back at a higher tide this afternoon and see what's going on. Hopefully they can get it out. Good luck, boys. Thank you very much. You too. Alright, dropped the 2x4s off at my apartment. I gotta see what my dad wants me to do with those. He's the master builder, according to his own brain. The dream. What? Are you kidding? Are you joking me right now? Are you kidding me right now, Jordan? Look at that thing. Look at that thing. You see it? Do you see that one? Look at that thing. You see that runner? You see the runner?
Right into the rocks.
You see that? Oh, the runner? Shall we? It is wet outside. Not really the dream. The dream. Full wedges. What? Oh, dude, these things are nugs. Pretty sketchy though. Pretty much just gotta wait for the right one. Yo, that was a straight rush, dude. heavy one's coming. Watch this left. Watch this runner. Oh! Probably wouldn't want to be on that one. Holy crap! Are you kidding me? Oh, that thing's gonna be a dream factory. Dude, it's so sick out here. So slippery, too. Oh my God, this is awesome. What a dream. Woo! 100% worth it. What a little novelty score. That was amazing. Woo! Stoked. Wave band, it was killing it. Dude, the thing was going like 1,000,000 miles an hour, making every section. Dude, I connected one of those waves for like 45 seconds. Dreamers. Woo!
What happened? They didn't try it?
I don't think they even came back. I checked it like...
They were here yesterday late in the day, you know, like around now.
I checked at like 11 to see if they needed help or anything. They weren't here. And the tide was high.
Yeah,
So.
and now it's... They might have to wait until Tuesday when the weather changes and line up a couple guys with power boats.
The waves are going to be really big tomorrow too. Because the storm's bringing waves.
Yeah. But Tuesday it'll be sunny.
Yeah.
It's like I told you yesterday, I'm glad I get seasick.
Yeah.
Take care.
It easy.
All right.
You too. All right, guys, we are here at Fresh Start Chiropractic, and John's gonna give me an adjustment here tonight, and I'm gonna mic him up with the microphone that plugs into the camera, and he's gonna run you guys through the entire process and the entire experience. So I'm pretty excited about this, and enjoy.
All right, so with surfing, Ben keeps himself in great shape. He does some foam roller exercise at home. He has some flexibility exercises. But each person through life gets one or two areas that just stick a little more than others. And I'm just here to help him through those and teach him how to keep those healthy, as well as keeping his entire body healthy so he can do all the things he enjoys for as long as he can enjoy them. This is just showing imbalance. You can see the right leg showing a little tension in here. This is an adjustment for his hips. Helps with flexibility, mobility, turns, responsiveness, healing time, microphone dancing, and then we get balance and less tension in there.
Can you see a difference, Jordan?
Yes.
Really?
In that one, yeah. 100%.
This is cool, so you'll actually be able to see it too. Right arm on your lower back, both arms, and right arm down. This draws up a little. This is your L4. This is an area that shows up, and left arm down. If I put pressure on that joint, causes a little tension in the hips, as you can see there. 5, 4. Now I was doing better. So left arm on your low back, and now that one doesn't cause tension anymore. So there's better movement in that joint, better movement in the disc, more relaxation and balance with the muscles, and most importantly, better nerve flow from the brain to the body. All right, right arm up by your head, left arm down, both arms up, doing good through those areas. Left arm down, look to your right. Pulls up a little tight, right arm down, shrug your shoulders up, roll them back, head back in the center, look up in front, look to your right, and look to your left. Back in the center and tuck your chin. So the one test for T3 was a little tight, that's up in his upper back, so look to your right and right arm up by your head. And you'll see how that leg pulls up a little, and then put them both down and head back in the center, and it balances out. So we'll check that one, T3. That goes to the upper lungs and muscles of the upper back. Now look to your right and right arm up by your head. And now that doesn't bounce anymore. That's good. Back in the center and relax right there. Good. This is just gonna get his L4 bone and disc moving a little more. How you doing through here?
Good.
Good. Good. That's it. There you go. So this is for fascia. If you're familiar with that term, it's the fibrous tissue and wrapping on your body, and also the muscles and trigger points. This instrument gets them out real quick. This is where you get a lot from like paddling. You may get this spot, can get a little tender.
Can you not see your face, man?
Those are white.
It'll be great, like the drip of drool comes down towards the camera. Bloop. Good through there. Good job. This is the spot right here. Good. 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 All right, let's check it out. Perfect. All set.
Woo! That was getting heavy. That
Yeah.
cracked. I felt that like 2 days ago.
Just starting to tighten up.
Yeah.
Just a little loose jaw right there.
It's like a little.
Okay, good. All right.
That was it?
Yes,
In
sir.
there.
All right, so John's been keeping me very active in the water with these adjustments and feeling really good. I used to have a lot of lower back pain. I used to have hip pain. And through this treatment and a lot of stretching, it has done wonders for me. So thank you, John.
You're welcome. I clearly want to say one thing though. You are very dedicated to your health. You know, not many people put in the time, do the foam roller, or out there utilizing their body like that and enjoying their health like you are. So it's fun to work with you.
All right, here we go. No, world renowned for being tight.
Ben tells me I walk tight, I stand
She
tight.
can't even walk.
What are you? Where am I supposed to go like this?
Yep, go ahead.
Oh God.
All right. So I'll show Ben what we did. Nice and relaxed. So do you see how
Oh
that's
my God.
You see that difference?
Yeah. Babe, you're...
All right. So are you okay for an adjustment?
I guess.
Yeah, she's fine.
Can I laugh?
Oh, definitely.
Okay.
Easy enough, right?
Okay.
So that same test that did imbalance doesn't unbalance anymore. So, and now we'll go left arm on your lower back.
Is this right?
Shrug your shoulders up, it's perfect. And roll them back and head back in the center.
Okay.
Good, look up in front, look to your left, and look to your right. Good, back in the center, tuck your chin, and lightly press down.
Yeah, her
Okay.
lower back's gnarly.
Yeah, that's like where I crack it all day at work.
Okay.
And her hips are so tight she can barely like bend her legs when she walks. She just walks in straight legs.